our show, Fat Dickhead Talk Sports. I'm talking about sports. This is Jason Titcock. And in case you can't hear, I'm wearing a fedora on my fat fucking head. I have some things that I want to talk about. Number one on my list of topics is the Bodega Boys podcast. They are egregious racist race baiters on a level of Colin Kaepernick. The way that they just dismissively interject about race issues is awful. I think that the only person, honestly, that should be speaking about race is my man Charles Barkley, because he's an expert. He has a white wife and 2 poodles. He's also sniffed enough white to know about the Caucasity experience. What I'm talking about today, also, motherfuck Charlemagne the God for talking about me and my snacks. Nigga, if I want to eat chocolate dipped Twinkies, that is my fucking business, okay? That is my business. Nobody should tell me and body shame me. I have lovely breasts. My breasts are immaculate. Colin, what do you have to say about that? Jason, as the resident white guy in the show, I'm going to ask you, we're going to do our soft shoe portion of the program in 5 minutes, so please get your shoes on and your Sambo makeup, okay? Get ready. Hey, this is my fucking show. I don't know who let this fucking Mongolo talk. Colin Coward here, and I just want to say the Bodega Boys are the fucking best podcast in the world. Shout out to you, even though I'm a fucking racist asshole. I love you guys. The Dominican guy I could do without. The Jamaican guy, he's cool, I guess, until Jamaica does something problematic. But hey, I don't like gay people, and neither do they. So, Bodega Boys, without further ado, here's episode 66. You got to work on that Gronk drop for 69. Do the fucking drop. Can I say something else? No, you can't. Shut the fuck up. Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, Bodega Boys in the building! Episode 666! Episode 66, not to be confused with episode 666, which is the Devil's Edition, which is the one we're going to sacrifice a baby live on the air, live from 220 West 18th Street, White Genocide, put the toddler on let the toddlers hit the floor! Yo, it's your boy, Jesus Nice, Jesus Vice, Young Chipotle, Proxy Fast like Terrio, Christopher Slim Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher Boogie Gully, someone that I might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with around the Mio Nova Zeta Noveta Quattro, Mikkel going off, the Juve Boss, MC Lickle Gunga P, putting up for 40 with a shorty, aka do not talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't even know who you are, dude. We don't even have any type of personal experiences shared. Exactly. Like, why are you speaking to me?
The fact that you called a car on an app, and now I also called a car on an app, and now we have to have a continued experience.
That gives you the right to speak to me?
Respect my agency,
please.
Motherfucker. Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pow, the Ghost of Mufasa, yo.
Eastream is dangerous. Don't go there.
Stay away. Young Charcuterie after Cooterie, aka Cheerleader Moan, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, okay. Hey, do you remember that time? It was me and Sheila Easton, and we were mad coked up, and I put a Quaalude in my butt.
Hey, that was nice, papi. Ento culo, culo.
Hey, mama chulo. Vice Game Akuzaka, 3-Phone Jones, Jesus A. Jacana, J. Chuck, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute, Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240p, because I like my peanut butter, DJ Willa, aka you're listening to Wash FM, that's right. Coming up next, we have the best of the Fat Boys. Yeah. The Curry Goat, Dita Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray, nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain, the young Meme, word to Ja, young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budquist, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, the black Asiatic addict who cracked your back like automatic craft Mally, Mr. Lamarina, Mesmerina, Mesmerina, Codemina, aka problematic babe. Damn, give me some money for the rent, and I'm gonna spend it on my mixtape.
Yo. Oh, man, you know what it is with 66 episodes deep. 666. It's your boy, the fucking Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag 5, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt Loader. You know what I'm saying? Catch me in the 05 Accord, nigga. Yeah, I got the cloth interior. What? It's your boy. I am no fucking baby. I'm fucking man, my nigga. Look at my dad. You know what I'm saying? Check the guest list again, nigga. My name is definitely on there. It might be the government, but I'm not gonna blow that up. You know what I'm saying? And no, I'm not stepping to the side while you fucking check. So fuck
check
you.
Right now.
Check
I don't care if these areas behind us.
I don't care. Who is it? ASAP Rocky? I don't care. Check my fucking shit. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here.
Don't embarrass me in front of Ian Connor.
Yo, but are you kidding me? Sacre bleu. AKA Ben Smack Biombo, AKA Field Ass Tyson. It's always best to look down while Shorty's topping you off. AKA the Dominican Don Donna, AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. They will gently remove your spine stem and replace it with Prince Yashua's penis, giving you the ability to smash cheeks at an alarming rate. I'm the man. Oh man, I'm the man. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, so watch where you keep your benzo, because you know who it is, nigga. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? AKA Friar El Messi. Light it, molto bene. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Tom Brady and Shorty got my balls type inflated. We're under heavy investigation. AKA Baby Newport. AKA Blam de la Blam. I'm feeling blam for real. Sweat my cardigan, nigga. There's definitely money on it. Nino Brown and East Street, my Stevie B. The plantains you've been over in the sky. And the hardest at the garden. Barmelos Anthony!
For three!
Swish! That's the game winner. If you see me at Target, respect my fucking agency. Approach me like an air sign male, nigga. Don't look me in my eyeballs. You know what I'm saying? Y palo dominicano que lo que llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA llegó coño maduro que el bate del gas y más caliente que la tola de Rambo, mamá huevo. Mouse City arriba, que lo que es, pónganse el flow, que pronto toque patio. Prendo la juca, pase el blog, que lo voy a patear como un Bruce. Episode 66. Let's go.
Woo!
Damn.
How's the AKAs better than other podcasts?
Yo. Like, by
That's
a
right.
lot.
Sponsored by the Dick Flute Solo. If you want to be on your own dick, be like Desus and Mero. Now, shout out to the sponsor, 220 West 18th Street. Coming to you live from Red Bull Studios. You hear the crystal clear clarity.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Narcan. No shout out to ISIS.
You know
You've
what
been
I'm
acting up. ISIS trying to get their little stats up this summer.
They've been force
They doing their little numbers.
Bruh,
Okay. I can't respect it. They're doing, you know what it is?
Bruh.
America don't, what's America going to do?
You know what I'm saying?
America don't even really exist anymore.
I mean,
Like,
it don't. It's Trump land.
the Constitution is the wet spot in the bed. That shit's out the window. Nobody cares about that
throw
shit.
Throw a towel over that shit. Throw a towel over that shit. Throw a towel over that shit.
Checks, balances.
Fuck that out of here.
That shit is like when you realize when you're big enough, your parents can't beat you no more.
And you're like, oh.
Who gonna check you, boo?
Oh, the game done changed.
Listen, nigga. Wait till they gonna try to hit Donald Trump with the impeachment, and it's gonna be like breaking up with a Jamaican. He gonna be like, no,
No, I'm not moving out.
I'm not leaving. This is my Oval Office. My Oval Office.
My name is Annalise. Is your name Annalise?
Years. Me no go here. Shout out to Donald Trump with the mad authoritarian takeover of the American government funded by Russia.
Yo, so ill, bro.
This shit's not even. You know what? Like there's always movies and like the shit is mad, like deep and like mad. Hit. This nigga's just out. He's just out there.
It's not that deep. He pulled him to the White House. He's like, yo, what's good? Where's the rule book at? Oh, this is it. It's written on paper. That's it. Fuck this shit.
Fuck this. We off this.
We off this. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, shout out Russia gang. Bang, bang.
Those are my niggas.
Those are my niggas. I bang with Like, it's like when you cheat and you so reckless, you don't even like put a password on your phone. You don't turn the notifications. You don't put your phone face down.
Nah, bro.
Your shit just be coming up
crazy.
Shorty said you the wild text with like the fucking choke open and your girl see it and you be like, I work with her. Like, no, nigga. Like, yo, why is Domino's Pizza calling you at 4 a.m.? It's like, yo, I put in an order for tomorrow. They just double checking the shit.
I'm a preferred customer. You know what it is?
You know, I'm in the pepperoni of the month club. You know what it is, man.
Like,
you know what it was when you found out.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
Yo, he's really, he don't give a fuck. He does not give a fuck.
Who gonna check him? If no one's checked him his whole life, no, you can't check him now. It's like you can't change the player's game in the ninth inning, nigga.
That's like racist people. Like I've always said this shit. I feel like we both said it. Old people that are racist are just racist, bro. You gotta just let them go. Let them go.
They're just gonna die.
Let them die. Your man's 70. He's 70, right?
Yeah, he's 70.
He's 70 years old.
There's nothing gonna happen.
Come on.
Nothing's happened in the first 70 years is gonna change his mind.
Come on.
Nothing gonna happen in the next.
Not at all.
How much longer? He got like 6?
Come on. And he's been cooking for mad long. That's like when you go to the circus and they got the trapeze. Yeah. When you see the safety net right there, you're like, it's just mad whack.
Yeah.
Like, nigga, even if you fail, you fall into a safety net of cash. Like, you get money. You're gonna get 20 TV shows.
He's
like, fuck out of here, nigga.
Fine.
Fucking wing. Niggas feel bad for him. Yo, you guys, Kathy Griffin was holding his head. I feel so bad about that.
That was some bullshit. Because first of all, shout out to Kathy Griffin.
You know what I'm saying?
Who's smart enough to why don't people realize this? Like, controversy on the internet is it's such a great
crucial.
thing.
It's
no
crucial.
one was even thinking about Kathy Griffin a week ago.
Nope.
Now she's trending. Now niggas have think pieces about her. Even for failing, she's still good.
And they fired her and
she's more relevant for getting fired than she was for having a show. Who the fuck knew she had a show?
Come on.
I didn't even know.
She was hosting CNN New Year's.
That's not a real thing.
Come on.
With Anderson Cooper, she'll be back.
Fuck out of here.
You gonna have Don Lemon having the fucking breakdown again. Talking about, I jerked it off the moonlight. like, no, chill, man.
I gotta say, my nigga, I respect the Trump shit. I gotta tell you.
Yo.
I respect it.
Yo, you was giving him wild head.
Get it.
Don Lemon out, bitch.
Sloppy toppy.
Sloppy toppy.
In the bathroom in 5.
Oh, shit.
Yo,
shout out to Vladimir Putin. He hacked the finals.
You
see it last night?
Yo, it was wild. I was watching
it started
the shit.
good. The shit started like...
You know what's crazy? I'm an asshole because I went on there instead of watching the shit on my 55-inch in the comfort of my living room. I went into my fucking weed dungeon because I want to smoke and watch the shit and go on Instagram Live and gloat and be like, yo, LeBron James is the GOAT. Like, you niggas can't hold him. He's the illest because I hate... You know what it is. The Bodega Boys despise Michael Jordan as a unit and individually, and none with a passion more than I. You ruined my childhood. Yes. I hate your guts. You know what I'm saying?
I've come around on LeBron, though.
You know what I'm saying?
I used to hate LeBron.
But now I'm like...
I used to have the hairline jokes on deck. Where's your father? All those jokes. You know, back when Twitter was not a safe space for the snowflakes.
No,
back
was
when
it?
Twitter was like the octagon.
West.
You can say anything. Like, niggas be like, you tweet something out, something like, yo, you used the wrong "you're" in there. It should have been like UOURE, and you're like, yo, your mother's dead.
Yeah, exactly.
That should get like 1,000 retweets.
Early.
Nope.
Yeah, it was crazy. Like the Twitter in those days was like Koch, New York. Like this shit was just mad reckless. Like yo, like niggas doing graffiti on the train.
You said
like,
Koch, and I thought you had the independent record label. But apparently you meant Mero Koch.
Okay.
How am I doing? Hey. Buy your big
Koch the label. Wow, you an okay player, nigga, for real. Hey, anybody got the new releases?
Anybody got some independent releases? Anyone heard that new Common Electric Hustle?
Featuring Talib Kweli and
Listen, I knitted us some shirts for Roots Picnic. Shout out to Roots Picnic. That's this weekend.
Yeah.
I would go, but I can't be a general admission.
You know what I mean? Get your sleeveless hoodies ready.
That's right. Now, actually, the lineup is looking pretty good.
It's pretty tough.
It's just I can't
Who's headlining?
Like think Jeezy and shit. Like, it's
shit.
not. You hear Roots Picnic. Roots Picnic be lit and shit. I just don't got it in me this year, nigga.
Damn.
Listen, I got a TV show to do. You know
that's
the show?
true. That's true. When is this? This weekend?
It's tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
It's tomorrow, man. Because then you got to get a room out in Philly and all that. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not going to blow shit up, but damn, niggas get invited to a lot of shit, bro.
Yeah, you can't go to everything.
Well, you can't.
Listen.
You kill yourself. I know you were trying for the longest, and it's not humanly possible.
It's impossible. You know what it's
That's
like?
why all these niggas have seizures. You fuck around and have a seizure, and then I'll be like, oh, shit, they were right. It wasn't the drugs.
Because I'll get invited to like 4 things. I'll be like, yo, I could go to all of them. And it'll be like, yo, one's in Brooklyn.
Yep.
2 is in Manhattan. And then one's in the Bronx. It's like, by the time I travel from the Bronx to Brooklyn, that's an hour right there off the rip if traffic's good. Then from, like, come on, man.
Come on, it's too much.
It's too much.
New York City's not built for you to go to 6 parties in one day.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Also, my body's doing that natural thing where it's like, you really need to slow down and be a family man.
Fam.
Like,
Chill.
why don't you stop going out?
Here's this water.
Like, chill. Like,
it has asparagus in it.
I be seeing niggas on Twitter, they be like playing with their kids and shit, or I'm like getting dressed, charging my phone, putting on my pinky ring, putting a little Axe body spray on, like, still got it, bro.
Yeah.
Still got it, going down the hatch, getting some Betsy's. Yeah, what's up? Are you going to FIT?
You go to FIT?
I'm FIT in that cunt. What's going on, ma?
Yeah, you turned into Dice Clay. After like 12 years.
I'm trying to talk to like a 19-year-old. She's like, yeah, any of my references. I'm like, yeah. There used to be a BBQ's on 8th Street.
Yeah.
She was like, I was born in 1993. I was like, I was getting head in 1993. Yeah.
That's when the Simpsons were on the Tracy Ullman show.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I was listening to Smith & Wesson. Remember when the Asian lady used to walk through the train to sell batteries? Yeah, that was real New York.
She had the yo-yo.
Yeah, you got hair down there? Got the wild tight members only jacket and the comb over. Like, yeah.
Oh shit.
I'm the wild creep because I roll my own cigarettes.
I got the pouch of tobacco like mixed with like weed and like angel dust, all type of shit.
Yeah. Oh, you smoking Newports? Yeah, nothing but American spirit over here, bitch.
Yeah. I call these just longs.
Listen, if you're paying $7 for a pound of weed, you're not living right, dog. St. Peter's not letting you through the pearly gates.
No way. Yo. But nah, man, listen, I feel like I got washed. I feel like my washness got advanced by getting hit by a car. I feel like I might be right there. I feel like I'm having a renaissance, though, because it's like after a certain amount of time, like after a certain day, like I had to be done by like 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
She's like, yo, I'm done, nigga. Like, I'm so spent. Like,
AM or PM?
PM. She's like, yo, by 8, like 7 o'clock, the kids are in bed and we're just chilling. So it's like we got that 3-hour window of like whatever. But by 10, she's like, yo, she's like, I gotta crash.
But then you come through with that Bertolo Cologne energy.
You know what I'm saying?
Like,
and I'm just like, man, watch, like, yo, what am I gonna do? And then I fucking just hop in the whip and just do all types of maniacal things.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? We out here. You might see a little couple Mero tags out here in the highways and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Life is a highway.
Like a little couple Dykeman tags and shit.
Well, if you get busted doing like spray paint,
the wild fillings on Dykeman and shit.
like you gonna be get hot boy from Vice Land. They're not gonna know what to do.
That's gonna be so good. It'll be the funniest shit in the world because remember homie that got caught like trafficking or some shit from Canada or some wild shit?
Yeah.
He got popping out. I'm like, yo, if niggas pop me for that. Yeah, bleep that. Yeah, we'll bleep that whole shit.
Like, yeah, you bleep that. That never happened. Allegedly.
Alleged.
Nobody's
I'm like,
trafficking anything.
Imagine for fucking graffiti, nigga. Like, damn.
Yeah, I mean,
and you can skate in a graffiti charge in 2017 if you got money. You know the only
that's like
times
a
I got
disco ticket.
Yeah,
You'll be
yeah,
all right.
yeah. Nowadays you can skate on those with money. Before it was like I'm pop, like I'm actually going to court. I'm doing the whole bookings. I'm getting like, yo, they're sending you to the boat. Damn, nigga, because I got bagged doing graffiti. Like that's terrible.
It would fuck up the show though because if you got bagged, you probably wouldn't get out in time to do the show. We just have to record later in the day. That's cool. And you smell like jail
with the bookings outfit. Let me tell you something.
Dusty
if
shit,
you go to
bed
bookings,
bugs.
you got to retire that outfit.
Yeah,
that whole outfit
because
shoes
it's bad luck.
Yeah,
it's bad luck because you got locked up in it. Mm-hmm. But you know it's not bad luck. Our new sponsor.
That's right.
Do the wild. What's that? The cash register noise. Shout out to Square Cash.
You know what I'm saying?
Square Cash.
Square Cash is lit, yo, because I had no idea that you could just pay for shit on your phone. Wild easily. Like,
because I'm always going to the ATM and I'm the hood nigga.
Yeah.
I don't go to the $20 ATM. I go to the $5 ATM
shit.
where even if they swipe your card and steal it, the people in Iran and Algeria who steal identities are like, what's this? He's a broke boy.
He's a broke boy.
I'm not starting a new profile for this.
Why?
He's in a negative balance.
His balance have minus.
He took money from me. He's scamming me now.
How? He's scamming me.
But no.
I did not buy this television.
Listen, Square Cash is the simplest way to pay people back for whatever.
For whatever.
Put it in quotes. We're not sending anything.
Yeah, and
hint,
you know
nudge, nudge.
You know what I'm saying? And the illest thing about it is now if you got it, your man's download it, and they can never front of you on dinner.
Exactly.
Like so when you're
there.
at dinner, like, yo, son, you got me? Yeah, I got you. Word, Square Cash me that right now.
There you go.
Stop playing.
And unlike other apps, Square Cash does not put your payments on blast.
No.
It keeps it low.
Yep.
Why? It does not put
encrypted.
It does not put you at risk.
It doesn't put you at risk.
That's its new sponsor.
You don't
want
to be at risk. You know what I mean?
And not because because they're a sponsor and we're giving them the wild dick food solo. Download the free Square Cash app. And here's what you get out of it, Bodega Hive. The brand is so strong, we're paying it forward.
Yeah.
If you tweet us using the hashtag Bodega Bucks,
get it.
might bless you. We might pay some of your bills. Tell us what you need money for.
Yeah.
And we might hit you up, might pay for some studio time, some student loans, maybe some butt shots.
That's what's gotta be. It gotta be something important. It gotta be lipo.
If you are a chick and you got the wild hot face, but you don't got the yeeks, this is your chance.
This is your chance.
Ma.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You too can be a star tender.
Do you go?
You know what I'm saying?
If you're a guy,
aim high.
If you're a guy, you got the wild big titties, you don't want them no more. We get them out of here, or
For
we can
real.
push them up. We can
Straight
help you,
up.
whatever you need.
We'll send you out there. We'll send you to DR. We'll send you to Colombia, wherever you need to go, baby.
You say if you got if you
recovery house and all that.
Listen.
You feel me?
If you a wild, sexy chick, but you got the wild, furry upper lip, listen, I will go with you, and we will get
laser that shit
the
off.
laser shit off.
Hell
Ma.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Come on, man. Teeth whitening, whatever you need.
Teeth whitening.
All that. We just want you to be better.
We
you know
want
what I'm saying?
the hive to look forward.
We don't want you to be better. We want you to feel better.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
That's what we want.
Don't use it for like books for school and shit. This is only for like wasteful summer shit.
You know what I mean?
For, like new camouflage shorts.
You know what I'm saying?
If you want to get the wild tramp stamp, you know what I'm saying?
That's what we doing it all June.
Well, listen.
You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a real hot summer.
If
We
you
trying to
want
give
it
you
for
this
like
paper.
hookah,
Yep.
we got you for that.
Got you on
If
the
you want it
refills?
for like rent, if your baby needs like typhoid medicine, do not come in for that. Fuck that.
come over here.
Oh, my baby has a club foot. No, fuck that.
No.
Let your baby have the wild diddy bop.
$50 bucket of beer at La Marina. We got you.
Yeah.
You know
Your
what I'm
father
saying?
got glaucoma? No.
Nah.
That's his fault.
You know what I mean?
Tell me, listen, the world's ending. He don't need to see her clearly.
Yo, all that sad shit you can start to GoFundMe.
Wow.
This is for the people that are struggling.
How fucked up is America that now GoFundMe is like the biggest insurance company now? Like niggas go to the hospital like, yo, what kind of insurance you got? It's like, I have the kindness of strangers.
Yo, but GoFundMe's paying for niggas' funerals and shit.
Like your whole life depends on if a person's feeling lucky.
Yo, that's
like
crazy.
If someone comes in bad drunk from happy hour, like, yo,
you know
let
what?
me bless this nigga with $20. You're like, yo,
you.
thank you. I can get my pancreas done.
Yo.
Oh.
You know what I mean? But
Damn.
yo, Square Cash it up, yo.
Square Cash it up.
Send that bread, bro. You never will be at risk. It's like a digital condom.
Also, it's good for like, I'm not saying for drug transactions because you're not allowed to say that.
No.
But it's good for like brunch.
Brunch.
If you that person that when it comes time, it's like 6 of y'all, we all divide it evenly, and you're like, I didn't have alcohol.
Yeah, I didn't order a drink.
Yeah, now
I didn't order
listen,
a drink.
Listen, it's on you now. We can find you.
Yeah.
We can expose you.
Pay up.
Shit. Shout out to Rihanna. She was at the game yesterday.
Looking thick as hell, bro.
thick as hell. Oh.
I think she's pregnant, bro.
You think she's pregnant?
I got the vibe. You know me. You know me. I'm the baby god. I feel the vibe. I feel that she might be pregnant.
Not
by
to
some
disrespect her
by some
agency,
reggae nigga though.
but sliding in a thick Rihanna.
Come on, fam.
It's like stirring a pot of tripe with your dick.
Oh my god. My god.
Just.
Oh.
You know what that? Oh my god! Like.
Oh man. Yeah, boy. Water. Pussy and cocky make me perfect, team. Oh my god. Yo. God damn.
She got all white around your dick.
Oh my
You know
God.
what I'm talking about,
Yeah,
guys.
that
You guys know
truffle
what I'm
butter,
talking
nigga.
about.
Yeah, that
She
talking
look like
about
you
that,
fucking a cream cheese bagel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talking fillets with the truffle butter.
Yeah. You look down at first, you be like, is that vagicitis? It's like, no, that's good pum pum.
No, that's good pum pum. Damn.
She just did. Who loves LeBron more, Beyonce or Rihanna?
I think Rihanna.
Yeah.
I think Rihanna be thinking about him like in a different way.
I feel
Beyonce's like, I respect you, and like
I feel like Beyonce, if she would risk it all, she'd leave Jay
for
and
sure,
the kids
for sure,
LeBron.
but for sure. But she's not West Indian.
Yeah.
So she's not like you know what I'm saying. Hard walk. You know what I'm
Rihanna's
saying?
disrespectful. Like she dropped down and spit on his dick in front of LeBron's wife.
In front of her.
While looking her dead in the eyes. Like yes.
She don't want panic like this, huh?
She got like a blonde pixie wig and shit. Like yes.
You got the nigga in the back like, we love wine and punch.
Savannah's like, no, get that ladder out of here.
Pun LeBron James. Whoa! And push the mirror line back 20 feet.
She's cooking stewed chicken while she's on the deck. Yes.
You got LeBron eating chicken feet and shit, nigga.
Shit.
Out here.
Oh man,
With the mesh merino. God damn.
Yo, did you see yesterday what
She'll change LeBron.
she would?
Beyonce wouldn't change LeBron. Rihanna
yeah,
would
yeah.
change LeBron. He'd be in the fucking islands
He'd
all
show up in the
off-season.
wild mesh.
Fam, with the sandals on.
Just a foot wild. His toes was already fucked up. So he halfway West Indian.
You know what I'm saying? Right, already.
You gotta have the nasty toes.
You already know.
He already look like a grandfather.
Like your man Shaq. You see Shaq's feet? Bro.
Shaq's toes, man.
Damn, dog.
Yo, how Shaq's toe look like Jason Whitlock? Yo, I was like, whoa.
Just fat.
Just problematic.
Which is fat with a terrible thing on top. Like, yo. Crazy. And yo, his nails were black.
Yeah.
That's like, how little care do you take of your feet that them shits turn black? Or is it just basketball? Is it the wear and tear of basketball?
I mean, I would say that, but how long ago did he retire?
You know what I mean?
Like, your feet should have time to recover.
And can you get your feet fixed?
Anything's possible. Anything's possible. If you got enough money, anything's possible.
Yo, Bodega Boys, you might get your feet fixed.
Listen, no, yeah. You get
That's-
your feet
that's-
fixed.
that's like
if
a-
you gotta get like a toenail transplant. Like if you are one of those unfortunate young ladies that does not have a pinky toe, we got you.
We got you with the pinky toenail.
And you
Early.
can't go out.
But you got to go to our spot.
You know what I'm
You know what
saying?
I'm saying?
Shorty can't go to La Marina and Gladiator sandals because got no pinky toes. They roast her at the door like, boy,
What the fuck is that?
how you got 10 toes? You only got 8 nails.
Damn, ma!
Oh, boy.
Damn.
Boy, her throwing garbage.
Boo!
Where's your nail? Where's your nail?
Pinky
Where's
toenail
your-
look like a fucking hyphen. Fuck out of here.
What is that? Semicolon? Boo. Get your nail fixed.
I had a homegirl that had no big toenails. She was mad ashamed of it, and she used to always go get a fake one, like a fake toenail put
slow
on.
down. So, whoa. So many questions. What happened to the big toe? Where do you get a fake big toe from?
I
fake big toenail.
I don't know what happened to the toenail.
You can't just pull up to Corner Furniture on White Plains Road.
You want it? We got it. You need it? Oh yeah. No
Yo.
prices every day.
Could I see a medium big toenail?
Let me see. Do y'all got something in a size like 8.5? Oh, sorry, we don't have half a size.
You got a refurbished big toenail? Oh man.
Yeah, but she got them fake joints all the time, and they were official.
Damn.
But Shaq though got a big toenail on his right foot too, and he was getting his just like toe painted. I was like, ew.
Shout out to Shaq. Shaq is cool, but he's problematic, but he's cool, I guess, because
Yeah.
he's just big.
He's just all black. Like you got like old black dudes. I feel like Snoop's getting to that level too.
Yeah.
I feel like Snoop is about to do something wild problematic. I don't want him
More
to.
than make a video where he fake kills the president?
Yeah. But you know what I'm saying? Yo, now but look, it's time to look. I have a theory about this whole shit where it's like, fam, there has been a kind of like a modicum of decorum in the presidency up
Yes.
until now.
Yes.
now the rule book has been thrown out the window. We said it before. You said it before. The Constitution is a wet spot.
Facts don't matter.
Like, facts don't matter. So why do we gotta respect this dude like he's a real president? Like, he's a clown. He's a fucking clown.
He's a reality TV star.
Yeah, so why can't we make fun of him the same way we make fun of fucking, like, the nigga from fucking Survivor, Richard Hatch?
The amount of respect you have to show the president is the same amount of respect you show Snooki.
You know what I mean?
Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
It's the truth.
It's the truth.
It's like, you know what? It's like what racist white people say about black people. If you want to get respect, you gotta show respect. If you don't respect yourself, how do you expect me to respect you? Put your pants up. Yeah.
Huh?
So guess what? Until the president pulls his pants up. Sorry,
dog.
Sorry, Trumpito.
He's like, I never put my pants up. Pootie likes my cheeks out.
Got the cheeks out.
You know what I'm saying?
Joe, did you hear the wild conspiracy theory that Melania is fucking allegedly she's fucking the dude that runs Tiffany's or some shit underneath Trump Tower. Donald Trump knows about it, was cool with it, and they had an agreement. They were supposed to get divorced, but because he won the presidency, they have to stay together. So she's basically trapped. But that's why she stays in
New York.
Trump Tower, because she's getting a wild dome piece. Nigga put in the Return at Tiffany's bracelet in her choach and shit. Blow her back out.
She's getting allegedly. A good dick. Well, you know how you'll know? I mean, paparazzi obviously follow her around. Yes. She's getting photographed. Look at the pictures of her in New York and look at the pictures of her in the White House.
How happy
Where does she
is.
look happier?
Because listen,
she's getting that good dick.
No woman is as happy as when she's with her man, but she's thinking about her side nigga.
Yeah.
You ever see your girl on the couch just smiling for no reason? She not thinking about you. Nigga. She thinking about Daquan from security. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
How you be blowing that back is out at work. Have your girl laid out over the Xerox machine, got her labia on the glass.
See?
Gotta wipe the shit down with like a wipe. You shit. You know what I'm saying?
You regular niggas better tighten up.
She make plans with you, but the only plan she make with him is to blow her shit out.
That's all it is.
She know that nigga's a throwaway.
Yeah.
She like, yo, we going on vacation and shit. Nigga. Only thing she go away with him is condoms. Disgusting.
Yo, savage.
Doing nasty shit. This nigga be swiping his security card in her butt.
Ah! In the break room and shit. Ah, he nasty.
This nigga, he know what her period is. He got it on her phone.
Damn.
Like, yo.
Niggas getting busy in the break room.
In the break room.
Like,
you don't even know.
Damn.
You didn't even know.
Behind the soda machine. That hot boy.
As
soon as they hear somebody, oh shit.
Sorry.
The Daquan's man comes in, he's like, nigga, smell like pussy. Yeah, nigga.
Smell my security card.
Yeah, nigga.
Nasty girl.
Yeah, nigga, that's Tasha.
And you love her. Yeah, you love that hoe. Be coming home, kiss her on the mouth, she went to the camera. She was like, but he don't know what hurt him. All the girls in the audience like, that's right, girl. You do what you gotta do.
That's right, girl.
That's right.
Look what they did to Mary.
Uh-huh.
You gotta go for yours.
Yo, shout to Mary J. Blige. Mary J. Blige got the Mad Her album out now.
Yo, so
all the song titles is like, fuck that nigga.
Fuck
niggas
him.
ain't shit.
Niggas ain't shit.
No,
fuck
ain't
you.
Shit. Answer.
Fuck
niggas.
that. Fuck can do. Straight up.
The shit, one of the things is like acronym can do. Can't even. Niggas. Dumb. She didn't even try with the shit. First song, he's like, fuck that nigga. Listen, if Mary's performing at Essence Fest and you're a guy, you better go to the bar when she come out.
You better
lay
go.
low and shit.
Go stand in that bathroom line then.
Some light-skinned girl just gonna turn around and duff you in the face.
Oh, for no reason.
They're gonna jump you the way they jumped Wi-Fi funeral. What's his name?
Triple extension, which sounds like the wild Brazilian Pinot, by the way.
Like some shit where dogs are fucking in the back and shit.
Like some crazy shit. Your man really did the wild stage dive into the crowd, like unannounced, and ended up kicking like 3 niggas in the face.
Yeah.
I mean, he got surprised and he got duffed out.
He didn't jump in. He kind of like came in hot, like Scully into the Hudson. Like, no, when you stage dive, you want to do it gracefully.
Gingerly.
You want to fall back.
Swan dive.
Like a suicide drop. Like, yes,
fish,
like, yes, like that.
Yes,
right?
work.
You can't come in on some.
Swan
This nigga did a 100-hit combo.
Come on.
And they think niggas gonna fuck him up.
Come on, fam. You can't do the fuking swanton bomb off the top turnbuckle, nigga.
Also, I think they just fucked him up for his name.
Yeah, true.
They was like, yo, this nigga's name is Wi-Fi Funeral. Get this nigga.
It's tough to see out.
What is this nigga's name? Is Wi-Fi Funeral?
Oh, nah, get him out of here.
Oh, no,
Yo.
You know what? They didn't want to say it. Everyone there worked IT, and they just did not appreciate it. They was like, actually,
you can't kill Wi-Fi.
Actually, unless you're gonna do like a Faraday cage or some shit, or just put like aluminum all over and like wireless, you're not gonna affect the Wi-Fi. Unless it's on the same frequency as something else, and like, I mean, there's only 13 frequencies. You can just move it like.
Let's be real. Funeral. Like you can't even do that.
The only real Wi-Fi funeral is gonna be like net neutrality. I mean, don't even get me started.
Don't even get me started. Oh my god. Talk about privacy.
Do you even use a VPN, bro?
Dude, I'm so stressed. I'm gonna go cuddle my anime pillow.
Wi-Fi funeral. How do you pick that name? That was the first time I felt old. I saw that name and I was like, this nigga.
Yeah.
That was like
And
the
it's
first
funny 'cause,
time I
like-
was like, yo, if he gets killed by the cops, I don't care.
I mean, listen. Would you go to Wi-Fi's funeral?
It's been episode 66.
Yo, but nah, your man fucking, server eulogy, whatever the fuck his name is, fucking router burial. Yo, your man, like, come on,
Your man,
dog.
red hat manslaughter.
Come on, like, niggas ain't really here to see you, my guy. You can't do that kind of
I don't even know like mad songs by XXXX.
No.
Also, every time I see his name, I think of the Dr. Dre song, Explosive.
That West Coast shit. That song is so problematic. Can we listen to Corrupt verse of that song right now? Bro, that is the most problematic shit. Like,
man.
but I sing that, but I roll the windows up and sing the whole shit.
Listen, if you have to enjoy that song right now before your daughter is old enough, because if she even hears it once,
my God,
she's never gonna be in a good relationship.
Oh man,
this shit is just so. Come on, man.
Yo, it's wild.
Listen, explosive West Coast shit. West Coast shit, nigga. Overdose. Imperial bitches ferocious. You gotta do that.
Hey, fuck a bitch. Don't tease, bitch. Strip tease, bitch. Eat a bowl of these, bitch. Gobble the dick. Who forgot to eat a dick and shut the fuck up? Gobble and swallow. Another. Shut up and get my cat. Backhanded, pimp slap backwards is left-handed. Just pop your collar. Pimp conventions. Hold for $1. 6 deuce in a plush. 6 deuce Impala. Pimp a hoe from Texas to Guatemala. Bitch, niggas pay for hoes. Just to lay with hoes. Relax one night and pay to stay with hoes. Captain save him all day, we'll save this dick. Bitch, nigga, you more than bitch than the bitch. You ain't hitting to hippin' pussy or hitting the switch. You into hitting bitches off for the grip, you punk bitch.
That's the
Encore!
Listen, that's the last performance at Black Lily. They was like, no.
No.
That was misogynist.
No.
Get out of there.
New York Post Cafe's like, no, Poppy. No, Poppy.
Get up for DJ Hotep.
He's about to play Black Star's first album in its entirety. Stay tuned for Reflection Eternal.
Coming up next, my new poem called Menstruation is a Babylon Ting. Yeah. Well, the only red is Rev Velvet Cake.
Yo. Damn, that was a wild.
Michelle Obama knows the lyrics to Explosive. How do you feel about that?
I mean, listen, sometimes
she
you gotta
performs it better than Barry.
Probably. Yeah.
Barry don't be doing the right inflections, but she's like, bitch, nigga.
Oh, my hoes still checking for me. He's like, nah, it's for me. Come on,
Barry.
Say it.
Barry.
For all my real hoes still checking for me. I can't do it. You got to do it, Michelle.
Trump knows words. He's like, I knew it.
I know all that shit.
I knew Dr. Dre.
Bitch, nigga, you're more than a bitch. I got a detox.
Listen, all my real hoes still kick it with me. All my true gangsters know Trump ain't never loved no hell.
Indeed.
Real trees, chronic leaves. When I met you last night, Putin.
Ooh. Before you opened up that gap.
I got these two freaky hoes clapping their hands, stomping their feet. Every now and then they put their mouth on me. Shout out to Vladimir. Yo, Vladimir got... Did you see the Russian embassy put mad pressure on America? It was like, yo, you guys got our property and we need it back.
And Trump was like,
do something. And he was like, yeah. Oh, no, that's cool.
No.
It's cool.
No.
They put the wild jail pressure on them. Like, yo, give me your sneakers.
Yeah.
Give me... What size are those? Offer them up. And Trump was like, yo, you want your houses back? Oh, I was just holding them for you, my nigga. Nah, niggas coming back.
Yeah, I know you. Yeah, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I just
good, OG.
Nah. They sent me these on the VI, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get into some new joints soon, so it's all good, baby. You know what I mean?
You know what's funny?
I got my Patakis.
I seen them and I was like, yo, you know who would love these? My big homie, Putin.
Yeah.
So I just put these to the side for you.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? They
homie.
right
Hey,
there.
right
You know
there,
what I'm saying?
boom.
Oh, nah, I had you in mind all day.
Hey, bro, listen. Don't put them on right away. Check inside.
Yeah, I got something in there for you.
Yeah, you know
that's
what I
for
mean?
you, man.
You know what I mean? My nigga, hey. Fucking clown.
Russia walking America.
Yeah.
America's holding on to the back of Russia's belt, and they just walking us around the yard and
Damn,
shit. We got Kool-Aid on our lips.
Damn.
They got the fucking wife beater in the
Tied
knot.
in a knot. Yup. Damn, dog.
Niggas ain't even using our male name no more. Niggas calling us Patulia.
Damn.
Oh, shit.
Trump at the UN like, you look dusty.
I was waiting for you at the door.
I was like, this Paris agreement looked dusty.
And then Trump was like, yo, I am the president of Pittsburgh, not Paris. And, yo, fam, like, nah, nigga, like, that's not how.
Dog.
Like,
and then you know what fucking had me crying? I seen on Twitter yesterday, the Times, I think it was the Times or Washington Post, one of them put up four female coal miners who voted Trump regret voting Trump on the climate decision. I'm like, bruh, I don't give a fuck.
Nobody
dog.
does.
Nobody gives a fuck. You voted for this nigga, dog. Read a fucking book, nigga.
What's funny is
fuck.
Donald Trump was like he's gonna make jobs for niggas, and apparently the only job he's made is like if you are a Trump voter, you are guaranteed to get at least one interview for the New York Times.
That's it.
They don't give a fuck about anybody else. They're just like, yo, you voted for Trump? All right, I'll see you in October.
I bet.
They be like, yo, Donald Trump took a shit this morning. We talked to 10 Trump voters to see what it meant to them. They're like, I don't really read or have all my teeth, but I think he's doing a great job. I just wish he stopped tweeting.
I wish he wouldn't tweet so much, but you know what? I would love for him to take his shit in my mouth.
Oh,
I would
man.
love it.
There's no future. There's no future.
The future is now, nigga.
Like,
so you gotta live every day like it's your last. Oh man, I'm saying we gotta ride your own horse.
Oh man, what are we going to do? Shout out to your man Emmanuel Macron.
Yeah,
who gave the wild. Yo, because after Trump was like, yo, he's pulling out the Paris Agreement. Your man Macron came through with the wild Bronx statement, and I was like, yeah, my nigga, I put on my Timbs, and I started clapping because he said, "There's no plan B for climate, and there's no planet B."
Oh,
I was like, yeah, nigga, yeah,
that's
talk
right,
that
B.
talk,
That's right, my nigga,
yeah. But he meant it
like
there's
second
no
planet B, like second
for
planet,
climate, and there's no planet B. But I was like, yo, I thought he had on Tips. Yo, there's no planet B.
There ain't no motherfucking
for
planet
climate,
B,
and there ain't no planet B.
That's right.
That's right.
You know what I mean? So you niggas better tighten the fuck up, nigga.
Right,
Start
get back
using
in that
fossil
agreement.
fuels. You know what I'm saying?
It got me thinking, if Russia could use bots and like fake news to take over our election, Black Twitter is powerful enough. Black Twitter, listen, they've grown up. They're not making like problematic hashtags like,
No.
would you rather have your kid be gay or retarded? No, we're not doing shit like that. We've come to Christ.
It's a useful tool now.
Yes, we could use it. We should use it to take over an election.
True.
We could easily do that.
Wow.
Think about it. Like if we got like Kid Fury and Crystal and Jamila and me and Jason Whitlock's not part of it.
No, get
and
out
you
here.
and we just started like tweeting like, let's take over Estonia's election.
Okay.
Because they wouldn't expect it and shit. And we just start making fake news about like one of the candidates.
Yeah.
And we put in a person who.
Are we gonna research who like we pick first, or just randomly pick?
It's Black Twitter. We just pick persons by like, I don't know, whoever has the
we
best
do a
hair.
poll. Let's do a poll.
We do a poll, and then we just like do fake news. We'll be like, yo, the other person is racist. We push up old tweets from the old candidate and shit. Yeah, we make hashtags. And
Yo,
shit. We
here's a video of him at a stoning.
We make like memes and shit that sponge. Like he says something like, Black Twitter is hacking the election, and we send back to SpongeBob being like, just hacking the election. Yeah, what they gonna do?
Yeah.
How you gonna feel?
Some niggas Cardi B face like,
Yeah.
fuck out of
Custodians not gonna know. They'll be like,
we were preparing for basketball Olympic.
What?
Whose man's is this?
They said the candidate is getting dick like Rihanna. Who?
What is this?
Why are they spelling dick with 2 C's?
Why?
What?
Why they Photoshop his face like this?
This is not what? They said he does not tip on a $200 date.
Whoa, my goodness.
Sent out the wild article like, candidate B does not eat ass.
Whoa.
Everyone's like, whoa. 15-point
What?
decline in the popularity.
My God.
Wow.
Sliding in the polls after he says he does not enjoy his mouth being spit in.
Wow. Unable to finish the phrase, stay low and at the debate. Wow.
Oh, what a
That's
gaffe.
gonna cost
What
them.
a gaffe.
That's gonna cost them. Listen, we can do whatever we want.
Yo, not what you want.
We can. Do you see Russell Westbrook was not watching Game 1 yesterday? He was watching Sister Act.
What? Because Whoopi's a legend.
Listen, shout out Whoopi Goldberg.
Told y'all niggas are brave and strong. We get Whoopi on the show. What's Russ doing the next day? Watch his sister act, bruh. Come on.
So, you know, we out here setting trends.
Trendsetters.
You about to see me in La Marina with
boy.
the wild white denim romper.
Yo, we coming out with the Bodega Boys rompers.
Yes. Y'all want merch?
You know what I'm saying?
All right. That's how we listen. We gotta set that. We gotta use Bodega bucks for square cash
You know what I mean?
to buy this wild dickhead.
Ooh, Carhartt romper. We gotta make like 5 of them.
Listen, we gotta make such wild merch. You're not even gonna want to wear the shit. I'm talking about my Carhartt / Dickies collaboration lingerie for women. All right. Wait till you see your favorite stud auntie in a fucking cargo shorts with dick holes. Yeah, nigga.
man.
Look at that shit up, nigga.
That's what I think about the rappers. Like, why don't you have a dick hole in a rapper, dog?
Nah,
it seems like such an easy thing
You gotta
to
earn
do.
it. You gotta earn it. If
Can
it's
you
a
make
rapper
your-
for a guy, like,
Yo.
you can't just, because then women will take advantage of you and just like push you to the side and be like, yo, let me see it.
Let me
You're
see
like,
it.
Stop, respect my agency.
Stop. Don't zip me.
Don't do that.
Don't zip me.
Don't do that.
Stop.
No.
Don't pull my spaghetti strap.
And you know what it is, because you don't want to be like all off the Henny at Pizza Zoo and shit. And some girl be like, yeah, come in the reggae room, nigga. You like,
Yeah.
stop, chill,
Stop.
I wanna go home. She's like, come
Stop.
here.
Nah, come catch
here,
this dub, man.
I see that mule. Why you playing around? You be like,
boy,
stop, I'm just here to
Stop.
eat pizza.
Stop. I just want a pizza.
I just want pizza. She was like, nah, I see you. I see the yeeks in that.
Yeah.
You see the yeeks in your romper.
Yeah, Shorty's like, yeah, nigga.
You know what it is, nigga. You're like, yo, chill.
Chill, man.
Yo, why you playing? Why you
Ma.
so, yo, you was talking all spicy on the timeline,
Yeah,
though.
nigga.
Yeah,
Oh,
well,
you
know
want to
what it
slide in the
is
bitch
now?
DMs? You want to slide in the bitch DMs to pull up in a rapper?
Now you buns.
Oh, word?
She started roasting you in front of her friends. Like, this nigga wild pussy, yo.
Yo, he's wild pussy. He doesn't even want to smash.
He talking on talk, but now he's scared.
Yeah.
Get this nigga out of here.
Fucking
You be feeling all,
cornball.
you try to eat your pizza. Like, come on.
Stop,
Why you making it messy?
Oh my God, yo.
Come on.
Yo, chill. This girl, yo, just say this here. I'm
These are
talking
some
to
Meros
her.
here. You ain't gonna embarrass me in front of them. Stop.
I got this, yo.
I'm
wearing this is official
All
rapper.
right, here, just look at it real quick.
Look real quick. Look.
Okay.
It's soft though. It's soft.
It's
though.
soft. I'm nervous. It's loud. You can't be pulling out your dick at.
Come on, that pizza zoo.
You know how.
I mean, you could pull your dick out of
You know
pizza
what?
zoo.
Yeah, you know what the thing is? Your dick is either wild soft or yo. You got the.
You might knock niggas over type shit. You might knock over the cranberry juice.
You got the fucking police baton joint. You shoot around too fast. You just hit a record scratch like. DJ look at you like yo.
Boom. You the VIP man turned up, nigga. Turn around, knock over all the mixers. Nigga, like boom.
Mad cranberry
The
juice
ice
and the
bucket.
shit. You unplug the USB port to the nigga Serato and shit. You're like, oh, what's going on?
shit,
The
yo,
music just stopped.
Like yo. Boom.
Sorry, we gotta reconnect the Serato. Someone's dick unplugged the shit. I was like, sorry, it was lit. I was turned on.
It's turned up, dog.
So I got the rompers, been rubbing on it all day and shit.
I'm off the Molly.
Yo.
Yeah.
Listen, and sometimes it be like that. Sometimes you gotta listen. Let the mule guide you.
Damn.
Shout out to the women out there. Can you send a mule pic? Yeah, you can send a.
Yeah. I mean, that's gonna be probably the new shit. Like mule as hashtag mule pick.
Mule pick. You know what it is? Now that Trump's in
Romper mule
power, we pulled out the Paris Agreement. It's not. Listen.
Reckless.
Stop. Live reckless.
Yeah.
Listen. Just
Yo, listen. It's like getting on a roller coaster when they're like, "Yo, put your seatbelts on." You're like, "Nah, fuck that."
Like when you go over the edge, just put your hands up.
Yeah.
Listen. Take out a bank loan. Don't pay the shit back.
Nah.
Throw away condoms.
Call all them.
Speed.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck
Send
that.
a reckless text. Just send. Yo, write your phone number on your dick.
Yep.
Or like take a piece of paper and like kind of like fold it into your choke flaps
Yeah.
and send that photo.
Send it.
Because why not? We all gonna be dead by like
Fuck it.
August.
Text all your exes
All of them.
right now. Text
and
them, "I love you."
in a group text that they gonna all see it. Just be mad reckless.
Man, messy.
Be like, I love y'all.
Y'all, bitches.
Send a wild mosaic of all of them in an image.
Yeah.
Like, yo, y'all want to be sister wives?
Yo, some of the best pussy I ever had.
Yo.
Some not so much.
All of y'all. I don't want to rank y'all and put y'all in disrespect, but
Yeah.
I think highly
You know what I
favorable
mean?
of all of y'all.
Shorty, if you got this nigga's dick pic and the shit is wild, terrible,
You know what I'm saying?
fucking just send it to all your homegirls.
Listen, if you
Actually,
trying
don't
to
do that. They might not even want that.
if you trying to party this year and you know you got kids, ignore them. Leave them at
Fuck
home.
'em. Just leave 'em.
It's
Be
like a dog.
yo.
The more time you spend at home, the more they get acclimated to being at home. Eventually, they'll figure out how to put that hot pocket in the
Yeah,
microwave.
bro.
They'll be all right.
My kids already know how to put waffles in.
They'll be all right. Like, yo, daddy be back.
I'll be back. You know what
Make
I'm
the
saying?
schedule and shit. They be like, Daddy, you going to Roots picnic? I was like, yeah, little nigga.
I got the automatic feeder set
Let's
up.
go.
yo.
We out of here.
I got the loud pack in the ashtray.
Can I go? No.
No, sorry.
You got money for tolls? No, because you're broke. You're an
Yeah.
infant. You don't have a
Come on,
job.
yeah.
How you paying for the pizza? How you going to pay for the hotel room, little nigga? See you on Sunday.
Baby's like,
Because you can't even talk.
can't even talk, nigga.
Broke nigga. You out. Nigga
Damn.
spark a little blunt ash on his head and shit on the soft spot. Yeah.
Shout out to my kids, yo. Them
Yeah, I
niggas
mean,
ain't
shout out
broke
to your
shit.
kids. Your kids was good.
They not
but
broke.
They not broke. Your kids ain't broke.
Shout out to them for not being
kids are
broke.
like-
Sometimes I get tight because I'm like, yo, you little niggas got everything,
They
man.
earn that shit.
I was like, you niggas got everything, you little bastards.
You know
what I'm
what
saying?
makes me tight? My nephew has never known me to be broke. I mean, he doesn't like have cognizant memory.
He's gonna have no memories of you being broke.
Like his
you're
whole
gonna
life
tell him
I've been on
stories,
TV.
and he's gonna think you're lying.
Yeah,
he's gonna be like, "Shut the fuck up, nigga. You was on TV."
All he knows is like running into like the sneaker room.
Yeah.
Hey, Uncle D's on TV, and I watch him on TV. I'm like, oh nigga, do you know? At one time in my life, I applied for a job at Burger King, and it was like, you have a college diploma, so get the fuck out of here.
Get out of here, you
don't know about that
stupid.
shit.
How dare you?
He's been on a train once in his life.
That's so crazy.
Like I was on a train the other day, and I was like, how do y'all live like this?
That's why New Yorkers are so mad, and y'all gotta keep your head on a swivel. That's why New Yorkers. See, the Times Square dude that ran over all those people. We watched the video last week.
Yes,
that was brazy. But a good amount of people got out of the way.
Yeah.
Because if you're a true New Yorker, born and raised, you always on point. Like, yo, some wild shit might happen.
You want to know
used
how
to
New Yorker I am? I totally forgot about that.
Yeah,
that does not even.
It was a blip. Yeah, it was a blip.
You know what? Oh, here's something. Yo, shout out to Pride Month.
Didn't somebody just get stabbed up on a train like yesterday or some stupid shit like that?
Yeah, someone got stabbed up. The other day, a lady sat down with her baby, and a homeless lady came and sat next to her, and the lady with the baby got up and was like, because Shorty was OD, like erratic.
Yeah.
The homeless lady felt slighted by it and went and slashed Shorty in Times Square.
Reckless.
Listen.
So listen.
It happens. Yo, no, I would say shout out to Pride Month. You know what? No one talks about. Remember that Post nightclub shooting?
Yo.
Like 50 people died in that shit. And you never hear anything
that was
about that shit.
Massacre.
Like that shit came and went.
You know what I'm saying? And niggas still talk about Al Capone and St. Valentine's Day. What was that? 13 niggas?
Yeah.
And they were all selling.
Like you don't know none of the names of like niggas. Like there's no holiday or nothing. It's just like
just regular.
It's just like yo, America's wild. They're like mad people. See when some shit happens, it's like oh, like a Muslim did it. It's like yo, never forget. And then it's like oh, by the way, 50 gay people died.
Okay.
Moving on.
I guess.
Like they didn't change no gun law after Sandy Hook. All bets was off. Though.
Oh yeah.
Like
I'm just waiting for a terrorist or which is probably gonna be like some deranged Christian white guy to run up in a pound
and
that's
kill mad
run
dogs?
by a Muslim and shoot mad dogs because the pound is run by Muslims.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's ran by Islamics. You're probably gonna eat the dogs, you goddamn devil, goddamn Islamic terrorist. I'm gonna cleanse America.
So a white Christian is gonna run up in a dog pound run by a Muslim.
Yep.
And kill
all the dogs. That might change the game.
I might be too smacked, or you might have just written the season finale for Law and Order.
Let's get it.
I don't listen. Doink doink.
Dun, dun.
Yo, Stabler and Benson are just like these dogs have been violated.
Yo, imagine how irate white people would be if you shot up an entire pound of dogs like puppies, and it was like video. Because remember, homie, that was wilding on Facebook and clap, homie, and thing, and people were like, "Oh my god, niggas forgot about that." Yeah. White women still hate Michael Vick to this day, dog. That was more than 10 years ago.
Wow.
And to this day, motherfuckers still hate Michael
He
Vick.
just shoots like 30 corgi puppies.
Yep. Fam.
Nigga.
Fam.
He holds up to the head on Facebook Live.
Let him shoot a Labrador. Woo! On Facebook Live. Oh my God.
One of those Portuguese water dogs that are hyperallergic or whatever.
Bruh.
Ooh, I'm getting choked up just thinking about it now.
White people will be up in arms. I'm telling you. That's what it's going to change the gun laws.
What would the name of, what would he be like, the canine killer?
The puppy massacre. Yeah, the canine killer.
The canine killer. Ooh.
Canine killer.
Like, people have to change their name.
Sick.
We know everything
canine
about
killer.
him.
Sick.
He be trending and shit.
Fam.
We know his Facebook page,
All
his
that.
mother.
Fam.
People be like, yeah.
Yo, the police would beat the shit out of him. Like, oh my God. They wouldn't even care that he's white. They're like, yo, you killed dogs, you piece of shit.
He come out in that suit that you wear after like you murder someone to have you for evidence. He
the wild Hannibal shit.
He got the wild bulletproof vest. Boom! The canine killer.
Fucking garbage.
The judge is like, I'm disgusted.
50 life sentences and then the death penalty.
They gotta put him in like protective custody.
Yeah. They'll do some public beheading at the square type shit. They'll bring back like capital. Like,
MSNBC is just like, is the death penalty good enough for the canine killer?
Does he deserve to be tortured?
Listen,
should we regress to medieval forms of torture for the canine killers? Next.
Donald Trump's like, Geneva Convention, bad deal for America. I'm pulling out of it.
Bad deal, pull it out.
Put a 9-volt battery on his genitals.
You know what I'm saying?
He wants to kill dogs.
Terrible.
Kill him.
Let's fucking roast him.
Wow.
But Donald Trump looks like some nigga that kill an animal and not care.
But Donald Trump can get away with killing animals. Yeah. When you're rich, you can do whatever you want.
Look at his son.
Listen,
don't they kill wild exotic animals just for fun?
Yes, just for fun.
You know what I mean?
Anytime I want to do something wild, I ask myself, there's 3 people who are popping who are rich enough. And I say, if these 3 people can do it, I can do it. And I say, if Oprah can do it, I could do it.
Okay.
If LeBron could do it, I could do it.
Yeah.
If Jason Whitlock could do it,
I say that when I go to White Castle.
Jake said to Whitlock. They're like, sir, 50 clam strips? Are you sure? It's like, yeah. I want them all. Give them all to me. It's like, sir, it's 5 a.m. You're in East Tremont. Do you want 50 clam strips?
50 clam. Sir, you also ordered the crave case.
I said what I said.
The crave case and the 50-piece clam strips.
Jason Whitlock comes to work with a crave case, like a briefcase.
Like a briefcase. Nigga opens his briefcase and just White Castle burgers. Yeah.
Let's get to work, guys.
Let's get to work. I can't believe this nigga
Can you
really
speak up?
said that, bro.
I can't hear you over the sizzle.
I'm sorry. I ordered the triple deckers.
They got the office smelling like onions.
He got the onion steamer on deck in the office. Nigga got the grill on next to the bed.
The little hot plate, the little starters.
Nigga got the microwave joints from the gas station.
Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, I got 4. We're gonna have to take a break while I eat these 4 sliders in one bite. Okay, we're back.
Oh shit.
Yo, I cannot believe. Yo, but my son really fixed his face to say, "Look, nothing racist can happen to LeBron because he's rich. I'm like, dog, your nigga spray painted nigger with a hard R.
With the hard R.
Probably in all caps.
You have to.
On the side of his crib.
Like, how do you leave your house with a can of paint? Like, yo, I'm gonna go write nigger on LeBron's house. Like,
fam.
Why?
Why?
The only person who could get away with that is if it was Steph Curry.
Yeah.
If it was Steph Curry or Aisha Curry, I'd be
That's
like,
it.
I get it.
It probably was
it's
Aisha
all in
Curry.
the game. It was probably Aisha Curry. She'd
She's
be
like-
having mad free time. She'd do shit like that.
Yeah.
But you know what the thing is? If you saw Aisha Curry spray painting nigger LeBron's house, you'd be like, oh, she's so whimsical.
She's so whimsical.
Oh,
Look at
God,
that.
she's so cute.
Then you look under, she wrote NBA's rigged.
You know?
Like,
She's just got like Riley there. She turns to the camera like, yo, I'm doing that because I have only one baby father.
yo.
You hoes get like me.
You thoughts?
You thoughts.
Yo, did you see her rapping? Did you hear her? Yeah.
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. I wish I had those 30 seconds back.
Listen, shout out to all of my light skinned chicks, but you know, as a whole, light skinned chicks tend to be corny.
Look, I love you. I love all my sisters.
I love it, but
I
you
love
know-
y'all. I love every shade, from the lightest to the darkest, from fucking cappuccino to navy blue, ma. I love you all. But yo, being light skinned is not a talent, ma. Like, yo, light skin shorty really think like, yo, that shit is a talent.
You can rock far for it.
Come on.
You can go far with it.
Shorty be light skinned and then put public figure in Instagram. Like, bitch, you're a public figure because you light skinned? Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, light skin, curly eyes, green hair.
Oh my
Listen,
God.
you lay it back. You a pillow princess through life.
Yo.
You ain't got to do shit.
Yo.
Niggas laughing way too hard at your jokes. You're like, yo, I listen. I rap like Kendrick. You're like,
Yo, shorty wild funny.
follow.
Yo, she wild funny. Commented on the picture of her like nipples, like, yo, you OD funny. Yo, that lamp is fire.
Yo,
Where'd you
I gotta
get
get
that?
me one like you. You so funny and pretty and humble and you read books. Yo, if a nigga says you read books, that is not a compliment. That man, it was a third follower. He thought you was dumb as shit.
Yo, that's the shit that be killing me. Like when Shorty will post something and niggas be like, oh shit, you fuck with that?
Yo.
Like, yeah, nigga, Shorty's a human being. Like, she's allowed to like camera.
She's like, yo, I'm at the gym. It's like, yo,
you work
that's,
out?
Yo, that's OD. Wow, man.
Yo,
that's
that's
so
what's
rare
up.
nowadays.
Yo, natural body, that's crazy. Like,
Start
oh
putting,
my
like,
God.
Nigga put Family Matter, the lyrics from Family Matters into her comments and she'd be like, yo, it's a rare condition in this day and age.
Yo, niggas will follow a stripper, and then when she posts her fucking son as an MCM,
they're like, yo,
niggas
you're
will be
such a good mother
such a
and
great
shit.
mother. Yo, you bought him the cause for
Yo,
us.
shout out to you. You showing you a good example.
Yo.
We need real ones like you.
Word. Yo, you got him 2 pairs of Yeezys, one to cop, one to stock, and one to rock. Word. You a good mom.
Shout the real moms doing the real thing. It's like, yo, fam, come on, man.
You should be shouting out her grandma.
Yo, meanwhile, on her son's Instagram, he's like, yo, spending a day with Teresa.
I don't know why she stay kissing me in my mouth.
Yo, my mother's roommate showed up again.
Yo, damn.
No, we're not shaming anybody out here.
No, do your thing.
No, shout, because you know what? Because we're saying that. Well, where's the father?
You know what I'm saying? Where's Poppy at?
Where's Poppy?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, he's in the studio putting down them tracks.
Yeah, boy.
You know what I'm saying? Trying to make this mixtape.
Come on. We gotta shoot the video on Lust tonight, ma.
Yo, shout out to
Come
every
on.
rapper out there that don't really be spending time with their kids, but you made a track about your kids, so it balances out. You know what I'm saying? If you love your kid on SoundCloud, you don't gotta love your kid in real life.
Word. Especially if you fake cried in the booth. You know what I'm saying? That's
If you got
extra
like
points.
a skit about your kid being born, about you playing with your kid or some shit, or
man.
about you grinding and you got like phone
Yo.
call your kid and shit, you got money.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, I took a break from selling crack to call up my little man Jack. Yo, Jack, he was on the Jack. Yeah, that's my man. That's my little Mac. Now I'm back to selling crack.
Yeah, sell that crack, daddy. Sell that crack, my real nigga.
Shout out to people who be having their kids on like the Wild Hood track and shit. Or having their kid. Who was it? I think Schoolboy Q had his daughter like on the track, like visibly saying gang shit and shit. I was like,
I've been like, yo,
she's
son.
like straight Hoover Street, nigga. I was like, okay.
Nigga, I was in the car the other day and Mero the third, young Avery, was like, mask on. Fuck it, mask off. And Heather was like, what did you just say? He's like, fuck it, mask off. She was like, yo. She's like, nigga, you're 3. Like, what the fuck is... He's like, yo, what do you play? I was like, yo, I'll just be jamming.
I just imagine like Mero 3 doing the lyrics and all the other kids like making noise like...
Yo.
Just like a viral video in the back.
Bruh. Your man was extra turned to that Lil Pump.
Listen.
Shout to Lil Pump. I'm flex like, oh. Yo. Niggas be turned up.
Listen, that's what kids are for. That's what kids are for. I'm gonna have a kid soon.
Do it. And go to pool. Yo, pools have fun with kids. Actually, if you have somebody that's actually responsible.
I'm not trying to. Whoa, relax. I'm just having a kid like sneakers. I just want to have a kid and like keep in the sneaker room.
Oh, yeah.
Just bring that shit out for like.
You know what you
shows
got to do? You got to take one of them shits from like the NICU that got like the wild temperature regulator, all the everything. It feeds the baby, all that. Just let the nigga rock. When you go on vacay, just put him in there like, whoop.
Little auto feeder and shit.
You know what I'm saying? Good money.
Not give him a name until he's like 4.
You know what I'm saying? Just let him name himself.
Come here, little phone posit.
Yeah, what do you want your name to be?
Yeah.
Niggas like, I want my name to be Air Max Tempo 97. What do you think about the new Yeezys? Sneaker report, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's your thing. But I saw that new Yeezy low tops, and they look a lot like the
Yeezy season.
The Yeezy season, so not Yeezys.
But I mean,
is that like Team Jordan?
Nah, kind of, and not really. Anything Yeezy puts his name on, people gonna cop.
Right.
So it doesn't matter. He can put out like trash.
Right.
So he put out the Calabasas sneakers, and they're basically low top Reebok.
They're 5411s.
Yeah.
I was gonna say that. I was like, yo, they're 5411 low tops. I was like, yo, this is crazy.
It's just sold out in seconds.
Yo.
Sold out almost as fast as Bodega Boys live tour tickets.
That's right,
you know
boy.
What I'm saying? Brandon Storm, BodegaSushi.com.
Philly,
Check it out.
DC,
Boston.
Major Key. Show up to the show.
At the Boston
Get
show,
lit.
we're giving out clam chowder. We're gonna have we're gonna have bagpipes, and we're gonna start it with the fucking House of what's that thing like?
House of Pain?
No, that's the other official.
Danny Boy?
No, what's the official Irish song every white person loves on Saint? It's like they play in the Departed and shit.
Oh yeah. Is it Dropkick Murphys?
I think it is. Yeah. Coming out with that.
Yeah, we're white and we're drunk. Yeah, we're white and we're drunk. Yeah, that shit's lit.
Yes. Dropkick Murphys, we're gonna get them to perform. Them and Edo G and the Bulldogs.
Yes, damn, niggas had a
He gonna do
Be a Father to Your Child.
We might even get Crumb Snatcher to perform Getting Closer to God. One of the greatest songs about getting shot ever.
You know what I mean?
If you don't know that song, Google it. It's very vivid. It's one of the few songs talking about being on the floor
You know what I mean?
with bullets and you waiting for the ambulance. It will
That's
make
real.
you rethink all your hot boy ways.
Think about
if you
it.
want to be a shotter.
We'll get Benzino to come through not to perform, just to stab Paul
We can't.
Pierce.
I'm blocked. He has me blocked.
Is he blocked?
He has me
Oh,
blocked.
damn.
Because I made a joke. I came at his neck. Literally. That nigga blocked me.
I was like, what neck? What are you talking about?
Nigga blocked me.
Nigga looks like Ed Bighead from Rocko's Modern Life.
Because his neck looks like a Vienna sausage. You know, I'm a big fan. Blah, blah, blah. If so factual, you follow.
Oh, yeah. That's why he's necklace.
That's why his neck.
And then talking about the jewelry.
Woo!
Triple entendre, nigga, don't ask me how. Did Jay-Z do anything recently? I feel like Jay-Z's just like trying to chill.
He's just chilling. He got
He's
two
like,
kids on the
like,
way.
yeah.
That's the thing. We're like, yo, Jay, drop a new album. He's like, nigga, I got 2
Kids.
newborn babies
Twins,
coming on the way. I
nigga.
already have a daughter.
Yeah.
Does
How old
Jay-Z's
is
life
Blue? 6?
stressful? Blue? No, Blue's like 10 now.
Blue's like, wow.
Nah, I just made up.
Nah, I was like, that's crazy. Because I know she'd be like talking and shit.
Yeah, she gonna drop an album soon.
I can't wait.
Blue gonna be annoying because she's gonna have Jay-Z's rapping ability and she's gonna be Beyonce's
Singing ability?
And like her face right now, she looks like Jay, but you know, like she hits like 18, 19, she gonna like start getting that fucking Beyonce gene and shit. It's gonna be annoying.
Boy.
They be like, yo, why does she have everything?
Why do you have everything?
Why do you have everything? Blue Ivy Corner!
Ah! Then she's gonna see Mark Zuckerberg at brunch. She's like, Halo's my favorite song. I love Halo. Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
That's not even her best song. That's
Like,
not a good song.
Is that in the top 10 even?
That's a good stadium song. You can end the concert like, hey,
Yeah, that's like, yo, go home.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's like the go home song.
When I went to the Beyonce concert, that was definitely like, yo, if you want to get on the 7 train to go back home, now is the time to leave.
Now is the time.
I grabbed my bag and everyone was like, you're leaving early? And I was like, yes, I am.
Yes.
I was like, because you know what? All of you look stupid when I'm on the 7 train. I have a seat and you guys do not. You want to sit here for a little fucking halo. There's another stanza left. I'm taking the next early train out. And I got on the train and they was like, this train's leaving in 10 minutes. And I was like, fuck
bro. But you guys
I could have stayed for
like an extra 5.
I could have stayed for like more stanzas.
First verse. Yeah.
She was cool though.
Shout out to Beyonce, yo.
I'm one of the few niggas that ever wear cargo shorts to a Beyonce concert.
True.
Respect my agency, nigga.
Respect to that.
That's right.
Respect to that.
You know what I'm saying? Because if you go with your girl, even if you a girl or a guy, you can't wear your cargo shorts.
Nah.
Unless your boo really loves you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless you're like a really like you're like, yo, my like I am a stud. This is my look.
Yeah.
Like,
even if you bought the tickets, you gotta respect your girl. You can't wear it. You know what I'm saying? At least wash the cargo shorts. Don't Febreze them.
You know what I'm saying?
Actually wash them.
You know what I mean? Shout out to all my studs out there. I know you throw on the linen pants. You know what I'm saying? A little something light, airy, classy.
Yeah.
You feel me? Maybe like the fat farm button up.
You know what I'm saying? Don't forget we got romp hymns for her.
You know what I'm saying?
Romp hymns. We have gender fluid rompers.
Yo, for real.
That's what it is.
Gender is a binary. You know what I'm saying? It's a
binary.
spectrum.
It's a binary.
It's a spectrum.
It's a
It's not
spectrum.
binary.
You know what I'm saying? You can do whatever.
So we out here.
I'm trying to get. You know they make like pride sneakers with like the rainbow on them.
Oh, I thought it was the Pharrell joints with the rainbow. Didn't they make a rainbow joints?
No, that was like the rainbow colors, but these have like the rainbow on them and shit. Yeah. So
shout out to Adidas. Oh, Adidas did that, right?
Adidas
did
that. Nike did that. I'm trying to figure out where the money goes though, because like when they do all those charity shits, they be like, yo, this is going to a charity, and then shit goes to like some made up organization. Like how when I was talking to Pharrell, I was like, yo, the Be Excellent Academy. If you guys want to throw some money there,
Yeah.
we're gonna get those book bags popping this year though.
Yeah, we are.
We are.
It's gonna
also
happen.
Giving back as part of the BX Academy. Bodega Books hashtag. Shout out to the sponsor Square.
Shout out to
Be
Square.
sure to check it out. It's a real thing. It's not like some fever dream me and Mero thought up outside.
Listen, don't be a square. Use Square Cash.
Woo!
Yeah, boy, I got the jingle and all that.
The creative team was like, why didn't we think about that?
Why didn't we think about that? What the fuck is wrong with you? You're fucking fired,
They
Jared.
just fired like 15 people. Because they don't know. Don't be a square. What does that mean to millennials? They was like, we were trying to do a square one kind of reference. Like,
Square one. Square one.
they was like, do the angle dance. Use square.
Oh my god.
Listen to these wash references.
Oh my god.
Oh wow. Oh shit. North Korea sent a nuke?
Oh, word?
No. What if
Are we talking spicy?
What if
Where would that nuke even land, dog?
California?
Like, what part of California? Fucking Indio? Like, in the middle of the desert? Like, where nobody cares? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't even feel like I feel like North Korea got like nuke ability. Like North Korea's a kid with a gun. They're just happy to have it. They're just gonna bust up.
Yeah.
But the thing with a nuke, like nuke, I think the popular phrase is something like nukes and horseshoes are the only thing you could just be close and still win.
Yeah.
So you can't really lose with like if you aim a nuke at Los Angeles and you don't hit Los Angeles, you still
fucking shit up.
You still fuck shit up.
I was just trying to say, like, Victor's not here. He's organizing a $1 million deal. But, like, what is the radius of a nuke? You know what I mean? Like, how far, you know what I mean, does it extend? And also including radioactivity, damage to water. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, it depends where and all that stuff. But, I mean, if we're talking as far as the...
Because the only nuke was in Hiroshima.
Yes. But there's actually a map called Nuke Map, and you can go on it, and you can pick what type of nuclear weapon.
Oh.
And, like, the...
It'll show you the range and
in
shit?
kilotons. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
So you can see, like, if you want to see, like... For example,
So
if you would like to see what... If Hiroshima got detonated over Lower Manhattan...
Okay.
The shit with the blast radius, like say it detonated over by like I want to say by like LPR over by NYU. The blast, everyone around directly by like 2nd Avenue and all that shit would be dead.
Damn.
Everything from like Washington Square Park to Greenwich Village would be contaminated by like Strand. We couldn't go there anymore. Everything by Parsons and the
Chernobyl
Flatiron
status?
building, Chernobyl. We couldn't go to that shit anymore. Like
And wouldn't it hit water, too, and contaminate the water?
yeah, it'd go directly over the Hudson and fuck up the water, but then the fallout would probably like kill all. It's like the shit would get the Bronx. We'd all be fucked.
Damn.
Like first of all, you can't just set off a nuke in Manhattan. Like niggas gotta go to work and shit. Like imagine
Set
ways.
the nuke off and shit. It's like,
Train is a little delayed for train traffic ahead.
Yo, what the fuck is the holdup?
What the fuck? Hey, we got 52,000 sick passengers ahead of us, so
We're just gonna be at the station a little longer.
they're all suffering from plutonium.
Oh shit. Oh.
hey, this 2 train is going express. We are passing the zombie lands now, where people apparently below 14th Street are eating each other's flesh.
Yeah. Oh, man. Yo, low-key, would a zombie apocalypse be lit for like a week?
Well, it wouldn't be a zombie apocalypse.
How long would it be
like
lit?
a nuclear apocalypse? Wow, they say 500,000 people would die within the first 24 hours if a nuke went off in Manhattan. Damn,
son.
Actually, no,
Where'd you find this?
263,000 people would die immediately. So
Damn.
But
That's mad
as
people.
a New Yorker, I hear that I'm like, that's fucked up.
Rents are gonna fucking plummet.
Drop.
Oh man.
Listen, I am a New Yorker. I would buy if you got a rent-controlled apartment in the middle of fucking contaminated ground zero. I'd be like, do you take pets?
You walk in there with your radio and TV meter, it's just like
This shit is taking off. Shit like this is not fit for human consumption. I'm like, do you take guaranteers? I have my first, my last.
they just like put matte aluminum foil on the walls. Like, nah, this is good.
They're like, no, if you live here, you're going to. It's like living on plutonium. I'm like, yeah, like, what's the hot water situation?
Yeah, like, what's the water pressure?
Is that cool?
Like,
no roommates?
Oh. Oof, sign me up.
Listen, I will live here. I was like, so does the guy with 3 heads in the living room, does he come with the apartment? Or no? Yeah. All right. Listen, I'm going to sign this because right now it feels like my arm's going to fall off. And also it feels like the searing pain from the fallout industry is making my skin boil.
Yeah.
So,
well, I mean, I'm wearing a hazmat suit, so I'm good. I don't know why the fuck you would pull up here in cargo shorts, but hey, yeah, you know, you're riding your own horse, like you say on your show.
Okay, I just coughed up a little blood, so let's sign this contract.
Yeah, sign again. I'm going to take it in blood, like Nas said.
That's right. Come to Rap Genius Hip Hop Realty. We're the only realty that uses lyrics to sign the deal. Listen, are you on the war tour with Muhammad, my man? Check out all the flats on the East Brook side, my man.
Yeah, walk out with a title in your hand.
Hey. Check out Real Estate Agent of the Month, Logic.
Hey.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
It's true though. We're all gonna die in a nuclear apocalypse.
Damn,
low key, what if we don't? If Donald Trump doesn't set off a nuclear bomb, I will be disappointed. Like, how do you have it and you don't set? Like the fact that he hasn't set it off yet.
I'm surprised he hasn't set it off by accident. Because you see all the shit that he be doing, like he'll just wander off.
Like that tweet the other day.
You know what I'm saying? Kofifi, whatever the fuck that is. I'm like, yo, your man is just like out there, be like, I think, really, honestly, bro.
How many times do you think like Kellyanne and all of them to be in like another room and they'd be like, yeah, you know, you got plans for the weekend, Richard Spencer? He's like, yeah, I might just go to like a alt-right rally, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, you know, I'll probably try to avoid get duffed out.
Where's Donald? Oh
shit.
my God, where's Donald?
Did you leave the door open?
Oh my God!
I told you to lock the door!
They're all like running back to the office and shit. He's like, he's like hitting the button. They're like, oh God! Cancel.
No.
Hit the X. Hit the X.
Yeah. X. What's the code?
I'm the president.
What's the code? Call Steve Bannon. Is this Steve Bannon has a code? Steve Bannon?
86739.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on?
He hit the bomb again.
He hit the bomb
again.
Oh, where do you aim it?
Hey, I don't even know.
Is it the Middle East?
I'm sending it to Kofi Land. I'm sending it to the place where Aladdin lives.
Oh, I told him to do that. That's fine. Yeah, I told him.
It's like a bomb's a non-existent Disney country. He's like, we're at war with them.
Yeah.
Do you see what they did to the parrot?
Yeah.
We're going to free Princess Jasmine. She's lived under pressure for too long.
Abu has been working under terrible conditions. We're going to save him. Remember the Sega Genesis game where you had to throw apples? That's a waste of apples. While they were even the apples in the Middle East, I think now they're lying. Fake news.
Oh, Aladdin. How was he able to fly those carpets? We need to get their technology. They're not paying into NATO. Yo. Do you even see their markets?
Yo,
they
what's
behead
good?
people.
Yo, your man, he pulls up to everything like a Shark Tank or Apprentice. Like, and he just talks to niggas like, yo, bro, it's like mind-boggling.
Six.
Episode 6. That's right, you ball bags.
That's right. It's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Jesus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, Pocket State Faggoterial, Chris Fastball, Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher's Guns, Super that might know you, bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fugger, Mr. Nanos with around the middle over there.
Hey, Poppy.
Mikhail going off, the Juve Boss, MC Little Gunga P, pulling up for 40, which is shorty, a.k.a. don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't fucking know you, dude.
Nigga, just sit there and put it in my AirPods. The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. All right, you see, you RSVP'd me, they're with me. Don't make me look stupid.
Come on.
It was a blind CC. I don't even know what this is. It was open bar. I'm trying to impress this girl. Don't make it hot.
Come on.
Jesus Racine, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakunari at the Kunari, aka Chili Limon, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Kid okay. Remember when I played during the baseball strike?
See, it was nice.
I was on acid. I couldn't even remember. I threw at John Rocker's head. He called me a fag. Jesus Racine, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakunari at the Kunari, aka. Oh shit, I did that already. You try K. Makuzaka, 3 Phone Jones, Jesus X Makeda.
Damn.
Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute.
Diluted.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my peanut butter.
That's right.
That's right, when you get a chance, Google Georgia Peach.
Yeah.
DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got 5 Star. You better count The Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray, nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain the human meme, word the jaw, young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Bunquist, Nathan Magdala, Sergio, you can't see me, the black Asiatic, I don't crack your back like an automatic, craftmatic, Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina, with the first misdemeanor, a code demeanor, aka your problematic babe. Mwah. Hey, babe, I'm pulling into the gas station. Could you pay for the gas and also pump it? Thanks.
Please, thanks. Get out. I can't get out. My leg hurts.
No.
Yo, episode 666. We up out of here, and we'll see you fucking disgusting bullbags next week.
That's
you
right.
know who it is. It's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag 5, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt Loader. You know what I'm saying? Hopping out the Jag. You know what I mean? I am no fucking baby. I fucking man. Check out. Check the guest list again, nigga. And no, I'm not stepping to the side while you check, because my name is definitely on there. I'm a fucking celebrity, nigga. I'm more popular than Kathy Griffin, because I'm the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Ben Smack Biyombo, a.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson, a.k.a. the Dominican Dondada, a.k.a. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your cerebellum with a baked good from Hostess, and you will do calculus. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, so watch where you keep your benzos, nigga, because I'm the Zen Man. A.k.a. Frian El Messi. Papi, I'm smoking the gelato molto bene. The Rico Sabroso. Tom Brazy, your girl got my balls type deflated. We're under investigation. A.k.a. Baby Newport, a.k.a. Blem de la Blem, a.k.a. Swipe my card again. It's definitely money on it, nigga. Nino Brown, East Street, my CVB. The plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Dreamer. And I got a call on my phone. Who's this? Barmelo's Anthony Swish. Lala, please take me back. If you see me and talk and respect my agency, dog, especially if I'm in the home goods aisle, approach me like a fucking erratic ursine mammal. You know what I'm saying? Llegó el hijo de Tete FIFA. Maduro que Hugh Hefner un bien fucking boy. Un buen fucking bien, loco. Más caliente con fuego. Mouse de arriba. Póngase en flow que vengo. Toco el parte. Rápido. You know what I'm saying? Y pásame el bloque. Lo voy a partir como you get. Episode 66, nigga, we out.
You know this. As always, shout to the sponsors. Shout to Red Bull Studios. Shout to Squarecast. Be sure to check out the hashtag Bodega Boys. Come to us with your problems. We might solve them. Be sure to download Square, the app that pays you back. It's paid for the sponsor. It's been episode 666. Don't worship the devil. Avoid the bookers. Be sure to check us out next week. We'll be back on Viceland Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
And
the
Thursday.
number one show on late night. Desus and Mero.
That's right, nigga. And don't you ever get it confused.
Don't ever get it confused.
You know what I'm saying? We're on every format.
And don't ever forget, the brand is what?
Brawling.
Bodega Boys in the building, straight from the Octagon. We out.
Fuck out.
Later, hoes.